Hi there, welcome to Insight Consulting. I'm Chris Nanhurdle, and I have with me today another one of my fantastic clients, success clients, Jason Belle. Welcome, Jason.
Hey Chris, how you doing?
I'm very, very well. It's good to have you with me on our broadcast today.
It is unbelievable that I'm here today.
Jason is one of the top performing sales execs at Starcom.
Yes, Stockholm Network. Yeah.
And he has seen a phenomenal improvement, not only in his performance with Starcom, in his professional life, but he's also seen an overall improvement in how he responds and copes with challenges.
I've been to counseling before and I've experienced moderate success with them. I found that with you, I didn't even really take it that seriously when you put that message up first back in September, but I remember sitting down somewhere in this room and just, let's see how this hypnosis works, you know. It might be just a part of the trick, who knows? But I trust Chris now. Don't think he'll make me cluck like a chicken or anything like that. but it's after we were doing some deep work and really figuring out some of the challenges that were affecting me in my adulthood and how far they stretch back from. It really helped me to understand that I do have some control even over the impact that those past events would have had on me in the present, and therefore I could track a path to the future that could see me in a really better position than I was at that point. Sometimes, in some cases, in even more than I could even imagine at the time. And I remember you made that prophecy, if you want to call it that, and I took it with a pinch of salt, but I've lived to see that there have been some remarkable improvements in my own personal life and in my professional life as well.
And I look forward to working with you also, our listeners and viewers, to reach out to us, Insight Consulting. We help you to take control of your thoughts, your emotions, and your behavior to become your best self. Have a wonderful day as you become your best self.